Welcome to Batumi, the coastal gem of Georgia, where the skyline is constantly evolving with monumental projects that redefine urban living. Today, we embark on an exhilarating journey to uncover the top 5 mega projects currently shaping the landscape of Batumi in 2024. From luxurious residential complexes to groundbreaking commercial developments, the city is buzzing with anticipation. Join us as we delve into the suspenseful world of Batumi's architectural marvels. Our first stop takes us to the illustrious Blue Sky Tower, a beacon of modernity and elegance that pierces the heavens with its towering presence. This prominent residential development is not just a skyscraper, it's a symbol of Batumi's ambition and progress. As construction crews work tirelessly to complete this masterpiece, the anticipation in the air is palpable. With its sleek design and luxurious amenities, Blue Sky Tower promises to redefine luxury living in Batumi. From spacious penthouses offering panoramic views of the city to exclusive recreational facilities, every aspect of this residential complex exudes opulence and sophistication. But amidst the glitz and glamour, whispers of intrigue and mystery surround Blue Sky Tower, leaving us to wonder what secrets lie within its walls. Next on our journey is the exquisite Lemon Garden Residence and Spa, where luxury meets tranquility in a harmonious fusion of beauty and serenity. Nestled amidst lush gardens and overlooking the sparkling waters of the Black Sea, this residential and spa complex is a sanctuary for the soul. From rejuvenating spa treatments to world-class amenities, Lemon Garden promises to pamper its residents with unparalleled comfort and indulgence. But beneath its serene facade, rumors swirl of hidden passageways and clandestine gatherings, adding an air of mystery to this idyllic retreat. What secrets lie beneath the surface of Lemon Garden Residence and Spa? Only time will tell. As we continue our exploration of Batumi's mega projects, we come across the magnificent Bagrationi Residence Batumi, a testament to the city's commitment to growth and development. With its sleek design and prime location, this residential project is poised to become a sought-after address for those seeking the epitome of urban living. But amidst the hustle and bustle of construction, whispers of intrigue and speculation abound. Is there more to Bagrationi Residence Batumi than meets the eye? Some say that beneath its luxurious facade lies a hidden world of secrets and intrigue, waiting to be uncovered. As the project nears completion, the suspense only continues to build. Our next destination takes us to the enigmatic GWG Batumi, a significant ongoing project that has captured the imagination of the city's residents. While details about this development remain shrouded in secrecy, one thing is certain. GWG Batumi is set to make a profound impact on the city's skyline and economy. Rumors abound about the nature of GWG Batumi, with some speculating that it could be a mixed-use development featuring residential, commercial, and entertainment spaces. But amidst the speculation, one question looms large. What lies behind the veil of secrecy surrounding GWG Batumi? As the project progresses, the suspense only deepens. Our final stop on this suspenseful journey brings us to the upcoming development known as Steps, where modernity and innovation converge in a symphony of architectural brilliance. While details about Steps remain scarce, one thing is clear. This project is poised to revolutionize the way we live, work, and play in Batumi. With its futuristic design and visionary approach to urban planning, Steps promises to set a new standard for sustainable living and community development. But as excitement builds for this groundbreaking project, so too does the sense of mystery surrounding it. What surprises does Steps hold in store for the residents of Batumi? Only time will tell. And there you have it, folks, the top 5 Batumi megaprojects that are shaping the future of this dynamic city. From luxurious residential complexes to groundbreaking commercial developments, Batumi is on the brink of a new era of prosperity and growth. Join us as we continue to unravel the mysteries and marvels of this captivating city by the sea. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more updates on Batumi's exciting journey into the future.